it was really awesome. We could probably take it on power tour, the reliability was there, but it was just missing something, and that something was power.
We're going to take this car to the next level. We have a modern engine going in, transmission, we're going to have brakes front and rear, new exhaust system. We have an EFI fuel tank. We have a bunch of new UMI performance parts going on, including our coilover kit, Ford 9-inch rear end, also PSI wiring. It's going to be pretty cool.
Here at PSI Conversions, we like to wire it up and fire it up.